Hello and welcome to activating your Linkblue from Account Manager for both undergrad and graduate students for the College of Communication and Information. So the first thing you're going to want to do is access the Account Manager website hosted by the university. The website's URL is posted on the first bullet point, so be sure to enter this correctly. Then you will see a button that says New Student Wizard. Be sure to select this, and then you will be prompted to a page where you should read some additional information given to you by the university, and at the bottom of that page, please select Activate. You will then be prompted to a page where you should input your student ID number and temporary passcode given to you on your acceptance letter. This will prompt you to a page where you can fully set up your new UKY account page. The first page that I am showing you here presents your new Linkblue username and UKID number. Be sure to put this somewhere important because it will help you get through the future you have at the university. Now, this is a very important step, so be sure to pay close attention. This is the Duo-Factor login. Duo-Factor is an extra security step that UK has implemented for all students to ensure that students' personal information is well protected. The first thing you're going to want to do is download the free Duo mobile app to your mobile device. So many universities nationwide utilize this great security measure to ensure the safety of students' personal information, as stated before. On your mobile app, select Add Account, and then select Add Device on the computer screen and select Duo Token. On your computer screen, you will be prompted to a barcode, and then on your phone will be your camera. Hover your camera over the screen, and then Duo Mobile should be able to activate your account within seconds. A very easy setup and very important as well. You will then be prompted to the next tab, which is creating your password. Now, this password will be used for all UK affiliated web pages, such as email, MyUK, Canvas, etc. So be sure to follow the necessary password requirements I have listed here and also listed on your screen. Pause if necessary to be able to know you have followed all the directions. So the next page is account recovery. This is recommended because sometimes Duo security is not enough security for your personal information. I recommend inputting a phone number and email to ensure that your account is well protected. The wildcard image, this is also optional, especially if you have been on campus to have your picture taken by the admissions office. But if you have not, be sure to follow the directions on your webpage. You must be behind a white screen and the camera must be head level, nothing in the background. So this is very important as well. This is your email setup. First, you will see that you need to choose your new UEA. Most students choose their Linkblue at uky.edu or their first name dot last name at uky.edu. After that, you're going to want to select Outlook or Gmail. This is completely personal preference, and all mail will deliver to whichever account you select. The only difference with Gmail is that now your email will be listed as your Linkblue or first name dot last name at g.uky.edu. The G in there is the only difference. So a few extra tips. When you're logged onto the MyUK website, looking at your classes or registration or anything like that, please sure to select log off after using this website. This will prevent future connectivity issues. And when you're on campus, the Wi-Fi, username and password, your username is whichever email you have provided for yourself, and the password you created. And then all the steps covered in this video can be adjusted or looked at again at ukam.uky.edu, which is the account manager page.